Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra new hands-on videos have been leaked. Before the official presentation of the flagship Samsung Galaxy Note 20 smartphones, there is less and less time left. Meanwhile, more and more information about the future innovation of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is accumulating on the network. This time, live photos of the most expensive model in the series Galaxy Note 20 Ultra appeared on the network. The YouTube channel TANSAFTECH drew attention to them, noting that the photos were provided by the user Johnny Trevor. The photo shows that the working smartphone and Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in a switched on state in both the front and the back. The photos are somewhat blurry but still interesting. You can see that the design of the camera unit on the rear panel and how thin the frame around the screen have become, especially the bottom ones. At this stage, when there is very little left before the announcement, there is no reason to doubt that the reliability of the photos. Their authenticity was also confirmed by another well-known network informator, the Benji Skin. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will offer a curved 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixel and an aspect ratio of 19.3 by 9. The refresh rate will be of 120Hz and the pixel density is 508 ppi. Another new feature is that it will be the first on the market to receive the 7th generation Gorilla Glass protection on the front side. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is going to be the world's first smartphone to adopt the new Gorilla Glass 7 protection. The sequel of Gorilla Glass 6 appears to be called as Gorilla Glass Victus instead of Gorilla Glass 7, although the latter could be still released in a parallel as the alternative solution to Victus. More importantly, the Gorilla Glass Victus delivers twice the scratch resistance and nearly twice the drop resistance of Gorilla Glass 6. So Samsung can take the advantage of the next generation Gorilla Glass without increasing the production cost, and indeed we have already heard rumors of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra lineup will be priced roughly the same as the last year S1 flagship. Under the hood of the smartphone, the Exynos 990 is in use with a clock frequency of 2.7 GHz. And also in some markets we will see the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor inside the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Using of Exynos 990 processor inside the device is not a great idea from Samsung because you know that Exynos is running on 2.7 GHz of a frequency, whereas the Snapdragon 865 Plus will be running on 3 GHz of a frequency. And while in terms of performance, the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor is no doubtedly be stronger than the Exynos 990. I'm not sure why Samsung is using the Exynos 990 processor in the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, because they already know themselves that their processor is not up to the mark when it compared with the Snapdragon 865 processor. So clearly I believe that many people will not buy the Exynos processor because of the performance issues which we are seeing in the Exynos 990. So anyhow, moving on towards the RAM, we will see a 12 GB of RAM and UFS 3.1 flash devices with a capacity of 256 or 512 GB of storage. The front camera is 10 megapixel and the rear panel has a 3 sensor of 108 megapixel. Main camera sensor 12 megapixel is the ultra wide camera and 12 megapixel is the telephoto lens, which has the capability to take a 5 times of optical zoom and 50 times of a digital zoom. So the main camera received a laser autofocus as well, and it is capable of recording in 8K video format in 30 frames per second. Another leak which is coming from the Ishal Agarwal, who has published a collection of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series wallpaper. It can already be downloaded and installed on your smartphone without waiting for the official announcement. Also, Sam Mobile has confirmed that the published wallpaper are official wallpaper images of the Galaxy Note 20 series, and they are made in the same style as the recently appeared wallpaper for the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus tablet. Another nugget of information regarding the Galaxy Note 20 series has dropped, and it's regarding the fast charger included in the phone retail box. It's probably not going to come off as a surprise, but both the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra will reportedly ship with a 25 watt of fast charger in the box, according to RD Coordinate on Twitter. Similar to the last year Galaxy Note 10, the Galaxy Note 20 battery is expected to cap at 25 watt of charging, whereas the Note 20 Ultra battery will benefit from the 45 watt of fast charging compatibility. However, both the smartphone models will ship the same 25 watt of fast charger inside the box, and buyer would have to buy the 45 watt of charger separately. According to Sam Mobile, the optional accessories information has been leaked for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and Samsung will be selling these accessories alongside with the new S Pen series, namely the Smart Clear View cover case. The photos also dissipate the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra Smart Clear View cover case was passed along the Twitter by RD Quadrant. It reveals 3 flavors of the same design matching the Mystic Black, Mystic Bronze and a Mystic White color option expected to offered by the flagship phone itself. Samsung has also filed a trademark earlier in July for antimicrobial coating, and now it looks like the company is bringing this to the market. And although the Galaxy Note 20 smart cover will case look very similar to the Galaxy Note 10 cases bearing the same name packaging, at least the accessories has a new logo accompanied by antimicrobial coating brand. Samsung will host the Galaxy Unpacked event on August the 5th, and on that event they will be announcing the Galaxy Note 20 series with an S Pen, the next smartwatches, the Galaxy Watch line and a fully wireless Galaxy Buds Live headphones should be debuted. So guys, what do you think about the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 Ultra specification and the accessories which they are coming right now? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also please do consider subscribing my channel for more new updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.